Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Roblox Mobile. If you want to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Roblox Mobile, you can follow some major steps. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. If you do not already have one, you can create a new account to continue. On the bottom right corner, you will find the More option. Now, tap on it and you can scroll down to see all the options. After that, tap on Create, and it will welcome you to the Creator Hub. On the top left side, you will find the three horizontal lines icon. Then, tap on it and it will show you various options. Go ahead and tap on the back arrow icon next to the Creator Hub. Here, select Dashboard. Scroll down, and you can choose the dashboard of your choice. On the top left side, you will find the three horizontal lines icon. Next, tap on it, and it will show you various options. Scroll down to find the Passes option and tap on it. You can unlock your global growth with regional pricing, or simply skip it by tapping on the cross icon. Hit the Create a Pass button to create a new pass. Scroll down and enter the name and description in the given boxes. After that, tap on the Create a Pass button. It will show you the pass, and you can swipe towards the right side to see more. Then, tap on the pass name and tap on the three bars at the top. Select Sales, and you can enter the default price. Hit the Save Changes button, and tap on Proceed to proceed with the one-time acknowledgement. It will update your pass successfully. Go back and hit the cross icon to reach the More tab. Now, go to the Home tab and tap on the Search icon. Here, search for PLS Donate and it will show it on your screen. Lastly, you can use the Game Pass in PLS Donate. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.